First impressions in this habeas trial have been made as Michelle Troconis' current team of lawyers attempt to prove her former defense attorney did not provide the bare minimum of effective legal assistance. This is Troconis' latest bid for freedom, but experts say her team has a daunting uphill battle.
And I don't think that makes it constitutionally ineffective below the lowest possible, the lowest reasonable that a lawyer would do. So I think all of his points are valid, but I'm not sure they're going to meet the standard that you need to meet.
Michelle Troconis' current legal team opened up with the primary argument that her former defense attorney, Andy Bowman, should have provided a translator for his Venezuelan-born client, who's behind bars in a 14-and-a-half-year sentence for her role in the death and disappearance of Jennifer-Dulos. They also pressed Bowman on why he didn't pause or end interviews with investigators when they thought Troconis was being dishonest.
I didn't think that stopping the interview while the police thought she was lying was a good thing to do. The last impression that she leaves as a liar, I thought that was against her interest.
During an appeal, typically only evidence used in the courtroom in the original criminal trial may be used, but a habeas trial differs in that any outside evidence can be used by either side. So experts warn both Bowman and Troconis are on thin ice to watch what they say about private conversations they had.
That can dangerously lead to additional testimony and additional facts that may become problematic for either the applicant, in this case Mr. Troconis, or her attorney.
On the stand, Bowman said he met with Troconis frequently and reminded her to tell the truth when speaking with investigators. In addition to Bowman, former state's attorney Richard Colangelo Jr. also testified and recalled that he told Bowman that Troconis could be charged with accessory to murder and that it would be in her best interest to speak with police.
He said that, we really want to hear what she has to say. We'd like her to cooperate. I remember saying that now's her time to either get on the bus or get run over by the bus. She really should talk to us and tell us the truth.
But after analyzing the first two court dates of this habeas trial, criminal defense attorney Jim Bergen believes Troconis' team is missing a strong point. There is video of the lead investigator telling other officers, "I don't think Troconis knows anything." Bergen says Bowman initially failed to properly address that evidence, and that now Troconis' new legal counsel may be missing it too. Bergen says it may have been key to the jury's ability to understand Troconis' argument of innocence.
I don't think the jury really understood her true position and what was going on in her head, and really understood how evil Dulos was.
And remember, if Troconis is successful in this habeas trial, she gets to walk free before she gets a new criminal trial. Simultaneously, she also has a separate appeals motion going through Rockville Superior Court. The next date in the habeas trial is this upcoming Friday. In studio, Tim Latow, Fox 61.